Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to try that new trend. It's the lip gloss. Yeah, the lip gloss trend. So what I'm going to use is I have my peel off base coat. I have a bubble bath by OPI just for the kind of like the sheer pink look. And then I have my glitter from Beetles. And it doesn't really have like a color like on it, but it's A605. I don't know if you guys can see that through the thing there, but it's like kind of like what the lip gloss looks like. It's like a little bit of like a glitter sheer kind of thing. And I also have Beetles base and top coat. So I'm going to be using those today. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to get all that stuff out of the way. I'm going to put my peel. I already prepped and dehydrated and primed like my nails and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my peel off base just to start off. I always like to do this because actually I haven't been doing it lately, which is really bad because you can see how dry my nails are. They're not like technically ruined yet, but they are pretty dry. So I'm just gonna put this on, and this just basically this just protects my nails from, you know, removing and re-adding and removing and re-adding a bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna put this on here. And what I'll do is I'll finish this hand, I'll do the next hand, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so now that I have the peel off base coat on, I'm going to put the other base coat on as well, just so that way I know it's going to definitely stick. So I'm just going to go in with the Beetles base coat. Okay, so now that I put that extra base coat on, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the OPI bubble bath. And all you want to do is just do one coat because you're basically trying to mimic your lips. So it's basically just a very light pink. You just do that just the once. I'm going to try not to make it so streaky looking, which that's perfect. See what I mean? Like it's just very light. And yeah, so this is going to be a very interesting, I guess, trend. I have no idea, but I saw that. So Hailey Bieber started the donut nails from what I saw. And then as I was looking up that, then I guess the there was a lipstick trend that happened, like, oh my gosh, it looked like it was like back in like 2015, 2014, I think, but that didn't exactly, you know, go off very well. So I guess this one here started right after Hailey Bieber's nails. So I think with the donut one, I believe it had to look like a glaze. So you had to put the, I guess it was like the off, like not the off-white, but kind of like the white that's really light and everything. Sorry for my arm in the frame here. And then you'd put the like really high gloss top coat on it. and that would kind of give it like a glazed donut kind of look. So I thought like that was really cool. And then when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I'm like, that is so different. A lip gloss trend now. And I know people try to put lip gloss, like real lip gloss on their nails. Uh, yeah, don't do that. That does not work. It's really weird because lipstick, lip gloss, everything has a different formula, different chemicals, different, well, I mean, I like to use like, safe, like the safe kind on my nails. Like, I know OPI is not really that safe, but I love bubble bath. But everything else I like to kind of tend to go to, because of my daughter. I never, ever, ever put bubble bath, OPI on my daughter, ever. I like the safe stuff on there. So this one here, like I said, it's just kind of like you know how like the lip gloss has like that like sparkly sheer kind of, look on the lips. Well, that's what I'm going to try and do with this one here. So let's just see how this turns out. Let's see here. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. Oh, I like that. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera there, but oh, the sparkle. It reminds me of, oh, what's that lip gloss? Was it by Maybelline? Oh my God, I can't remember. But there's a lip gloss that actually has this type of sparkle in it, and it is so cute. Oh my God, I love this already. And I'm doing both my hands because I'm trying to grow my nails. I want them back to where they used to be. I mean, my whole life I was a nail biter, and once I started once I got pregnant with my daughter, I started growing my nails. For some reason, I wasn't tempted to bite my nails with her. So I thought that was like the coolest thing ever. So I stopped biting my nails, and then I started doing my nails. So I had long nails pretty much from 2011 to about 2000. Well, actually, a couple of times I went and got acrylic, which I shouldn't have, because they cut my nails right off. But yeah, so I had long nails pretty much quite a while. And then what happened was after the acrylic, like everything just got damaged. So I'm just going to do both sides and I'll be right back. All right, so now that I have both, piece of hair. Now that I have both hands done with just the bubble bath and the one coat of bubble bath and one coat of the glossy sparkle kind of glitter thing or coat, I am going to now do 2 thin coats of the top coat. I don't have like a high gloss top coat. I am actually still looking for a really good really high gloss coat top, like gel polish. I'm like mixing up my words, don't mind me. I'm doing this at like 6 o'clock in the morning, so took my spouse to work, and so now basically I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna stay up this morning and I'm just gonna do my nails. Why not, right? It's always nice to do the nails in the morning. And got a piece of hair on that. No, I don't. Oh, yes, I did. Let's grab that. My cat's gonna try to get in, but if I let him in here, he's gonna start chewing at everything. So yeah. So today, actually, my daughter has a PA day, but my son doesn't. He is in high school. My daughter is in elementary school, so she gets the day off. He doesn't because their exams are next week, so yay! Exciting. So I'm going to take him to school today. So I'll be getting him up very soon. His school doesn't start until 9 a.m. So I usually don't wake him up until pretty much about 7:30. I'm just cleaning around my cuticles here. Like I said, I'm going to do two coats. Just that one there. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in for the 2 coats, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so here is the finishing touches. What I'm going to do after is I'm going to try and find my coconut oil to use as my cuticle oil, because I still cannot find my Rossi cuticle oil. So anyway, so yeah, so this here is the final look. I know I'm like really dry right around the cuticle area here, but everything will be fine. I'm just going to put some cuticle oil on them. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you really like nail videos and everything, just kind of me fooling around with designs and seeing my press-on nail designs and stuff, don't forget to hit the subscription button plus the notification bell just to let you know when I do upload my videos. And don't forget to share either my YouTube page or any of my videos with anybody that loves doing nails. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.